Hi everyone! So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a virtual notebook. So this is one that I'm using for my classes and it's called a virtual wellness notebook. So right here the tabs are linked in the slides. So for example, if I go to October, it will go to slide 5, and the cool thing about linking them is if the slides move, the link goes with the slide. So now I go and it's now in slide 6 as opposed to slide 5 where it was before. So let's start at the beginning. So first thing is opening up a new Google slide. I already put the title on this one, Virtual Notebook. And the first thing you want to do is go ahead and delete everything that's in the slide. Then we're going to go and change the size of the page. So it automatically sets it at 16 by 9. I want to do something different. I want to do mine 17 by 11. Apply. And then we want to change the background. Now you want to change the background and not insert a picture because the picture can easily be deleted. So to change the background, you go to the slide, you right click, change background. You can choose an image. I'm going to upload one that I had already downloaded. Open. But you can also Google search, or if it's something from your drive, whatever it is, and then done. Okay. So now I'm going to insert the copy of the actual notebook. So this is one that I had found. Control C. And Control V. So you notice that I don't have any of the writings in here. So right here, to add them, you can just type it in. So in the background, because later on I'm going to make this into a picture, I want it to say Virtual Wellness Notebook. Oh, 20 too small. Let's make that bigger. So I'm type in Virtual Wellness. Virtual Wellness Notebook. Now we can make the tabs. So to make the tabs, you just create a new text box and you will have to write it out like this. You can increase this. Let's go to 36. The first one is going to be August, September. Now I'm done. Let's keep it like this. So to shift it so that it aligns with the notebook, you use the top circle. So this top circle is right here. It orients the text box. And then you drag it over here. Now to get the background, so to get it filled, you go to the bucket. And let's do this color, but it's super dark. I want it more transparent. So you go back here, you go to custom, and you can change the transparency on here. So let's make it like that. It's perfect. Now, right now it is in front of this notebook, but I want it to be inside. So in order for it to make it look like that, I need to change the order and bring it back. Now, so you have the same size of text box. You want to highlight it, Control C for copy, and then Control V. And then you just move this one over so that way you keep it the same size. And you can just change the text. So this one's going to be October. And you can change the color of it. So let's make this one green. And we also want it transparent. So I'm going to go around the same area that I went to before. Okay, love it. So you do that for all the other ones. And of course you can always orient it so that it's in the middle. So Control A. So you click inside the box and you hit Control A to select all. And you can orient the text here in the center, at the bottom, top, middle, however you want. Okay. So after that, then you will get this title page right here. Now the second thing is getting the background template for the notebook. So this is one that I found. So I'm just gonna Control C and then Control V. Oh, didn't do it right. Select this, Control C and Control V. And I want to keep its original styles. And there we go. So it's straight out copy. So then you would just make copy for the other ones and whatever backgrounds you want and things like that. Now, after you created the journal the way you want it, so I have made this page for their celebrations or goals or anything like that. So anything that you want the students to have but not be deleted needs to be made first, because what you're going to do now is you're going to take this and then you're going to go to File. So this one, remember, you can move this around and you don't want the kids to move all of this around. So you want to go to File. You're going to have to go to Download as a picture. You can do either one. It doesn't matter. I like PNG, JPEG. They work the same. So pick one. You save it. So this one's the title. So I just write title. Save. And then when you go to making your template, so you're going to need to create another Google slide. And this one you want to title it the template, because this is the one that you're going to have as a template for your class. So we're going to write template virtual notebook. And then what you do is you do the same thing as you did to set up the background. So take this off. Remember, we changed the size. You apply it and right click, change background. We're going to choose an image. It's the one that we just downloaded. You bring it up. Done. And voila. And now no one can change this. Now, how do you make it clickable so that the students can click through the slides? So the way to do it is by inserting a shape, going over as much as you can is over the tab where you think the students are going to press. Now you notice this is all white. Can you guess what we're going to do? We're going to make it transparent. Go all the way down, hit OK. Then to add a link here, you need to go to Control K. But we're not going to do that right now because we don't have any other pages. So we are going to just going to add pages for now to show you how it's done. So you're going to go to the shape. You're going to go Control K. Now here it gives you an option to add links inside the presentation, or you can insert a website link or whatever it is. But we want this one to be in slide 3. Apply. So now if the kids press this slide right here, they click here, they will go to slide 3. And eventually you will get something like this, where the students just go to the pages. Now you can be as creative as you want, add your Bitmojis, and just make it yourself, or you can let the kids do that because it is their notebook. So that's it for that part. Now, the next part is how do you upload it to the students so that you can still make changes in their notebook. Yes, you can still make changes in their notebook. It is super cool. So what you want to do is, remember, this is your template virtual wellness notebook. Okay, so you've already uploaded these. These are pictures. I inserted text boxes in here so they know where to type and things like that. So what you're going to do is now select all of these slides. So go click on the first slide, and then if you go Control A, it highlights them all. Then you right click, copy, and you are going to make a new Google Slides. I know we've been making a lot of them, right? So new Google Slides. We're going to title this one Student Virtual Notebook. Virtual Wellness Notebook. Now, because I have a couple of them, I am going to just write version 2 here. Okay, then you're going to right click here and paste. Now, you see right here where it says match, keep, and unlink. You want to link the slides and keep original styles. So click that. Then you can delete the first slide. Now you'll notice that it has this right here. So yes, the students can unlink it, but we hope that they don't. So now we're going to upload the assignment into Canvas. So go to our Canvas, add a new assignment, title it Virtual Wellness Notebook, add item. Now it goes all the way to the bottom, so we're going to click on that one. We're going to edit it. And now it is going to be an external tool. Now I know I'm going a little bit fast on this part, but if you haven't seen my video on how to add Google Docs so that each student gets a copy, make sure you watch it. So it's an external tool, and then you go to Find. You go to Google Assignments LTI. Make sure it's your account, continue, and then attach file. And it is B2 Student Virtual Notebook. Each student will get a copy. Now in this one, you might want to add some kind of rubric, so that way they have it attached. You can add the due date, check for plagiarism, hit create. Then you want to make sure you hit select. If you don't, then it won't attach it. So it's there. I do want it unlimited so they can continuously submit it if I need them to. Save and publish. Now I am going to add it so it's at the very top for right now. There we go. So I'm going to show you how it looks with the student and it modifies. Okay, so here I have the student one. How do you know? So right here it says Jose Villa, it says student, and this is the assignment I just attached. Now if you notice that it has the linked slides. Now to do this, what I have also done is you can also create extra pages in the bottom or just additional pages so that you have those linked, so that way you can add content to those and then just tell the students to move it, like adding a graphic organizer or pictures or anything like that. So it's a good rule of thumb is to add many extra pages at the bottom or slides, and the students and you have them linked so you can modify them as the year goes on. So you can see all of this in action. I go to my template, Virtual Wellness. Now I'm going to type here a prompt. I wish my teacher knew ... And now I am going to go to his slide. Go to slide 3, that's where I typed it. Now you'll see that it has a little update. So you will have to tell the students to hit the update button. And voila! You have successfully modified the student copy of a virtual notebook. I got super excited when I found out how to do this, and it is all thanks to the Facebook groups that I'm in, so thank you. I would not have been able to do this without you, and I hope you find this video helpful and you get to use it in your classroom. All right, thank you for watching.